Ready? Oh my gosh, it's already 15%. Are you serious, dude? Land it.
Well, that has to be a
Land it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, yesterday I was out here for a while. I got this other bumper back on. We finally got clips in the mail to hold this fender on there. Because it was all broken out when I hit the deer. But got them all put back on there, got it all snapped back in place. The grill back on, got that perfectly lined, got it all snapped into place, and now it's all super strong. Got the mud flap down inside of there, all put back together with new clips and everything. So the front of this Hummer is 100% done as far as the grill, the headlights, the fender flares, and then this fender flare was all loose too. This right here was all dented. I had to paint that still, but this all physically is done. Today we're moving on to the back of the Hummer right here, and more specifically this bumper. Right here is a huge dent right here. So the only thing I can come up with is the trailer hitch, was the ball hitch, was sitting right here on the receiver hitch here. And when that broke loose, it came around and slammed this incredibly hard and bent the whole bumper in, as well as broke out a whole bunch of plastic back in here as well. We've already re-glued all this plastic here to put back in here, so that all fits perfectly, but we can't get in here with this bumper that's bent like this. So today's project is to pull the bumper out, bend that back, put all this back together. We still have to figure out, still have to re-glue fender flare here, but that's coming along very nicely. And then we'll take this thing out, test out the airbags, and go for a ride on the snow out here, because the next couple of days, let's get to 50 degrees, all the snow's going to melt, it's not going to be able to slide or anything like that anymore. So today, before all the snow melts, we'll take this thing out here in the snow, do some drifting, do some sliding, have a lot of fun with this thing. So let's go take the bumper off and bend it out. Alright guys, so just pull out that plastic piece out on top of this bumper to make it look nice. And here's what we're working with right here. There's a big dent, a big bulge right there. Right there where the trailer slammed in here, push this up. I'm thinking if we take a sledgehammer and pound it down right here, in theory, this thing will go back, allowing it to come straight again. At least, that's my hope, so let's just start pounding. Alright guys, that's all we have for time for today on this Hummer project. And you see we took this thing out in the snow and had an awesome time drifting and sliding around the corners. Alright, so we did test airbags out and we did see 13 volts for 1 second, which kind of concerns me. We're going to be doing some more research on airbag systems and talk to a couple people and make sure that is fine before we put $300 airbags in this thing. But until then, this thing is pretty much done for the most part. Still gotta glue this rear fender flare back together here. Got this piece all installed. Then we still have to work on putting LED light. Putting LED light in the license plate light right there. And we're also gonna be putting that plastic piece back on the top of the bumper. Other than that, put this on there. Get a new gas cap for that. Put a new side mirror in here. Put the airbags in. Work on the roof a little bit more. Other than that, this thing will be pretty much ready to be put into storage until it becomes warm, you know, for good, like springtime, and then so we can paint this thing. This project is actually finishing up quite good. Other than that, could be a little bit before the next video comes out as we're waiting on the side mirror and airbags. Once that comes out, we'll be rolling out a couple more videos for you guys. Other than that, thanks for watching Exciting Technology. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time.
Do weird experiments. Bye.
Subscribe!